Hi there! So this is the all-new Thomson Neo Core series laptop. Now Thomson is a French brand with a wide variety of IT products and they've just launched their laptops in India. The variant we have is powered by the Intel 12th generation i7-1225U chipset, built-in Intel Iris Xe graphic, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, runs Windows 11 out of the box and is priced at just 43,990. That's unbelievable. It's probably the best-in-class price for a Core i7 with 16GB RAM and 512GB storage among all competitors. This variant is ideal for students, content creators, basic gamers and small business entrepreneurs. Let's have a closer look on how it performs and the overall user experience so you can decide if you should buy this laptop or not. Let's begin. So the laptop comes in this box, Thomson branding with the image of the device. Inside we have the laptop itself, some paperwork and the charger. Let's have a closer look. So as you can see, this is grey in color and it has this raw texture finish which looks really nice. The build is ABS plastic, matte finish, so it doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. You can also spot the Thomson branding on the lid. So it weighs 1.65 kgs, which isn't exactly light, but for a laptop with a 15.6-inch display, it's perfectly fine. Also, I'd like to add, you can lift the lid with just one hand, which is really important in day-to-day use. The display goes all the way back, doesn't go completely flat, but more than sufficient and you can set that perfect angle as per your preference. Also, it's got a pretty sturdy hinge, really nice. Let's talk about the ports. Starting from the right, there's the Kingston lock, headphone jack, Ethernet port, USB-A port, a micro SD card slot, then on the left is a charging port, two USB-A ports 3.0, an HDMI port and a USB-C port. Well, you literally get everything you could have asked for, including an Ethernet port for fast internet and an HDMI port to connect your TV or security device, which is ideal for presentations. Coming to the display. So we get a 15.6-inch Full HD LCD display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The color reproduction is pretty decent. It's vibrant and bright. In fact, even the smallest text is clearly readable. However, viewing angles aren't the best, but it's perfect as long as you sit right in the front. The bezels are super slim on all the sides. The lower chin has the Thomson branding, while the top bezel houses the HD camera for video calls. My favorite part, it includes a privacy shutter which completely blocks the sensor for extra security. The video quality too is quite decent. It's clear in most scenarios, but yes, it could get a little grainy in low light. But trust me, it will do just fine for your online classes and meetings. Then watching movies and videos is also super fun, especially on a huge 15.6-inch display, it's super immersive. We also tested the built-in speakers. Here's a quick demo.
But you're not Steve Rogers.
So we get down-firing speakers which sound really good as long as they are placed on the table. However, they might feel a little muffled if you keep this laptop literally on your lap. But overall, the audio quality is really good. Talking about the keyboard, so we get a full-size keyboard with even the keypad towards the right. The keys are large and very well spread. Also, I must add, excellent travel while typing, providing a very satisfying experience. Fun fact, even the script of this video was typed on this laptop. And trust me, it was really fun. The keyboard is also backlit and you can see the keys at night or in low light situations. You can increase or decrease the brightness or completely turn off the backlight if needed. Coming to the trackpad, well, firstly, it's huge, really huge, and perfectly in the center. It's very responsive and works great while scrolling and navigating. All Windows gestures work like a charm. Let's talk about the hardware. So it's powered by the Intel Core 12th generation 1255U chipset, built-in Intel Iris Xe graphic card, 16GB LPDDR4 RAM with 512GB SSD. It's running Windows 11 and I must say it worked really well. Snappy and responsive. We also tested Microsoft Office apps like Word, Excel and even PowerPoint. Now if you're someone looking for a laptop for your office work, the Thomson laptop with the Core i7 will work like a breeze through all these apps. We also ran some benchmarks starting with the PC Mark X. Check out the scores. Really good for a laptop in this price range. Then here's Cinebench, and here's Geekbench 6. For a laptop sub 45,000, these benchmark scores are really impressive. I know a lot of you want to know about gaming, so first we tested Asphalt 8, which you can download free from the Windows App Store. It played absolutely like a pro, and all this with power mode still kept in balanced, smooth frame rate with no hint of lag. Then we also tested Valorant. Now even though this ain't exactly a gaming laptop, but it was still able to play without any hiccups. I can easily recommend this laptop to anyone looking for a casual gaming experience. When it comes to productivity, we also tested Photoshop. It was such a breeze. Here you can see we have opened multiple files with multiple layers, and we used this for a long time and worked without any issues. Coming to the battery. So Thomson provides a 65 watt-hour battery that would easily last me about 5 to 6 hours. That is with some Microsoft Office apps, some mild gaming, work just fine. It comes with a proprietary charger in the box, which takes roughly about 2.5 to 3 hours to fully charge. But the biggest blessing for me is that it also supports USB-C charging, so technically you can use any third-party charger as well, and to charge this laptop anywhere, even on the go. Always handy. Alright, final thoughts. So the Thomson Neo Core laptop with their i7 variant brings solid performance without burning a hole in your pocket. For 43,990, this laptop is probably the best laptop you can get under 45,000. By the way, there's even more budget options with i3 and i5. I'll share the links for all in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.